a lot of time has passed since she was last home. So she's gonna remember Laurel the way it was, but she's excited to be a part of it now. I'm excited that this house will be her first welcome back to the place that she's very familiar with. Y'all haven't met Miss Candace Keller. She grew up in Laurel and she moved away 40 years ago, and now she's ready to come home. We get to be the home that she comes to.
I'm with my friend Amy, who is here to help me find a place.
The house that she's buying is just the most forgettable house on the street. It's just white on white, but it's all very dingy now, and it's got this metal awning that's very 60s, super dated, and it's small. This house will be the perfect little cottage for her. I'm excited to see this little lot with the very forgettable house to suddenly be the house on the street that everyone looks at when they pass and they remember it. The kitchen is off of the dining room. It's the smallest kitchen I've ever seen. The best way to remedy that is to open up the wall between the dining room and the kitchen and give her a peninsula, like a bar between the two. So you just feel like you have some breathing room in there. Then it's the bathroom. She needs a master bath.
Right.
And we've got an extra bedroom. We're gonna use half this room to create a laundry room, and then the other half of this room to create a master bath. And it's big enough that it can be perfect for both of those.
Right. That's a good investment to the house, putting
Yeah.
in a laundry room, and you know, you might be losing a bedroom, but you're gaining so much more.
And we have an idea to have kind of like a pass-through between the master bath and the laundry room, like a trap door almost.
I want to install a laundry chute from the bathroom to the laundry room so Candace can pass her clothes right in, but I'm going to disguise it as a linen cabinet.
I
Cool,
mean, that is the coolest thing ever. She's gonna love that.
I think so.
I like that idea because you just throw the laundry in there, it goes away.
It's the most organized and
yes.
efficient way to possibly handle laundry.
So what do you know about Candace and what is her personality?
She's elegant, and we have to make this house as elegant as she is. Green is her favorite color. Green is my favorite color. I'm kind of wondering if green might be the way to go.
Ooh,
This is this.
I like it in the sun.
It looks really nice, doesn't it? Cool. I guess we'll go for it. We're going green.
Taking that tone and just bringing it through the house.
Yeah.
I think that would be a really nice compliment to this green. She liked it that it was light and airy, so making everything else very light and airy.
Airy, airy, airy. That's her all the way. She wears greens, creams, light blues. So let's give her that. And then moving into the kitchen, this is like a classic white kitchen, I think. Shaker style feels right for this very simple house architecturally. And then let's talk about countertops. I kind of like the way it feels like pieces of ice and stone.
That quartzy color.
Yeah, it's got some movement, but good movement.
Some lovely granite.
The porch feels like an opportunity where we could add something a little more visually interesting. What if we painted a pattern on the stairs and around the porch?
Love it.
I just want to make the handrails special. And I love when you see a Chippendale pattern in a handrail.
Oh, I do too.
It's just another opportunity to look like her.
These little details that she will pick up on is more personal to her than just the average person seeing it.
And inside, when I'm thinking about furnishings, she's totally an antiques kind of lady.
I feel like it helps make it seem timeless.
Yep.
Mixing in those antiques with the modern elements. You never really know, it just feels lived in and warm.
The front porch is really our only opportunity to give this house its face and its personality, and I think we do it with the handrails. Green is a neutral, really. It's everywhere. In an all-white kitchen, you bring green in on the dishes. In an all-white bedroom, you have a little succulent on the table. Just making sure that the green is a touchstone in every room of the house. People always feel very grateful when they've been listened to. And I feel like we listened to what she wanted and what was special to her about the house, and we really emphasized those things. And that makes it feel so personal.